Hello and welcome everyone to the e-course on Kathak dance being offered by SWAMI VIVEKANANDA Cultural Center, Embassy of India in Kazakhstan. I am Shruti Ghosh, the dance teacher. This is the foundational course on Kathak dance, which is a North Indian classical dance form. The main aim of the course is to familiarize you with the basic hand, leg movements and rhythm of Kathak and teach you some short composition. This is the third tutorial video. In the first and second tutorial video, we have learned the hand and leg movements and the rhythm. Today, I will teach you 3 short compositions of Kathak based on the rhythm Teen Tal consisting of 16 beats. The first composition, we fold our fingers, hands like this, shoulders straight, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now with the music or the rhythm, it will sound like this. Ta, ta, thun, thun, tik, dha, dig, dig, thay. Ta, ta, thun, thun, tik, dha, dig, dig, thay. Ta, ta, thun, thun, tik, dha, dig, dig, thay. 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 This is the first composition. It is called a toda. The name of the composition is toda. This is the first composition. The next composition is another short toda. We go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do it with the rhythm, right side first, then the left side, and then moving forward, moving back and coming forward again. We go ta, hey, ta, ta, hey, ah, hey, ta, ta, hey, ta, hey, ta, ta, hey, ah, hey, ta, ta, hey, ta, ta, hey, tram, hey, ta, ta, hey, tram, hey, ta, ta, hey, tram, hey. This is the second composition based on Teen Tal. This is also called a toda. We move on to the third composition, which is called a salami. Salam means to say hello, to say hello or to greet someone. It is called salami. This composition is called salami. We go like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. With the music, it will sound like this. Ta, 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 hey, hey, ta, ah, hey, hey, ta, ta, tram, hey, ta, tram, hey, ta, tram, hey. So these are the 3 short compositions based on Teen Tal. In the following video, we will continue with learning more compositions and a short choreography.